Katie, go help her out.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Shush.
Katie, she's upset because she has a cold.
There were tears.
There were tears of heaven.
All over my face right now.
What?
There's tears all over my face right now.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go have a cigarette?
No.
Why not? Ow, Katie. Just make yourself as uncomfortable as possible. Do you want to do a little bowling, cosmic bowling? Why does it sound like you're crying? Why are you crying?
I'm just laughing so hard.
Are you asleep?
You wake me up.
Are you asleep right now?
Why'd you wake me up?
Do you even know where you're going right now?
Shush. Oh no, my nose is puppy.
It's kidding.